snow? Snow truck. What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's vlog. As you can see, we got a snow dump last night. So we're taking advantage of a little snow play day. This is probably gonna be the last snow that we get like this for the season.
Mama's wrong again.
Spring is steadily approaching. We didn't even think we were gonna get this, so this is kind of nice. Hey, so if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the video if you liked it. We also have an Instagram, fender.footprints, and I'll leave a little tag right here. Y'all ready?
Get ready.
You should have did that before you put your clothes on, ding dong. I know, get all your stuff on. You almost fell down. Is it icy right there? Thank you. What your magoobers doing?
Oh, get off the wood.
Oh yeah. A mini Christmas tree. What'd you get, Lovey?
A dump truck.
A dump truck?
Dump truck.
Well, go play with your dump truck. Lovey, put your gloves on. That's not gonna work for it. That's gonna be cold, honey. Toddler problems. Feeling off your dump truck?
I know.
Yeah, no. Ew, don't eat it off the dirty shovel. Ew. Go eat the fresh snow, honey. You guys trying to make a little hill?
Yeah. It's more shit, Mom.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's so fun. It will be fun. We sit on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Brother getting more snow? Come on, Muscles.
I want to get 10 inches of no.
10 inches. I think this is the last bit of snow we're going to get for the season. Oh, yeah. Go run. My hands are getting cold. I think I need to go get some gloves. Woo woo. That's a no, huh? You're still eating it off the dirty shovel, you big nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dirt. Don't eat the dirt. You just realized you were eating dirt? Ew, don't eat the dirt. Ew. This kid is eating a dirt popsicle. dump truck. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful, there's a giant boulder right there. Oh, be careful. Remember, those little things are just plastic.
Huh?
Owen, are you collecting more snow?
Yeah.
Cool. What are you doing with your dump truck? Yeah? Oh, you dumped it? Awesome. Oh, poor doggy. Stuck in the house. You freeze your tushy off, dog. Oh, poor daddy's got to go to work.
Yeah, it's gonna take Daddy 16 hours today.
So you gonna take some video footage for us so we can throw it in here? Yes. Yeah, we'll get Daddy to get some footage of him going up over the hill, and I'll drop it right here.
Well, this is what happens when you try to drive. It's snowing in California. Oh my God, let's just sit here. That's pretty though.
Oy vey. You've been living in the cold weather too long. Look at you. It's 20 degrees. No beanie. Jacket's unzipped already. Oh, a stick. What is that?
That's Ricky.
Ricky? You named it Ricky? I know, huh? Yeah, hold on. I think Brother's putting some eyeballs on it. Oh, you need to put hat back on? Okay, hold on. Let Brother put eyeballs in. He's got a pink bucket hat.
Give me 1 second, you two. Wonder I'll be back.
You found the perfect nose? Here, fix his hat. All right, let me see.
Hello, I'm Ricky. What's your name? YouTube.
Ay, ay, ay. What are you two doing?
Making a no house.
Making a snow house.
Yep.
Very cool.
We'll try our best so without playing this before we have to go outside.
Oh, okay. Do you guys like playing outside in the snow?
Yeah.
Even though it's freezing out here?
Yeah. It's not freezing when you have this stuff on.
When you have
We're
all your
not freezing.
when you have all your clothes on? Yeah, the current temperature here is 30 degrees. And it's a little windy, so it's cold. Why don't you want to wear your gloves? I know. You put your hands in your pocket? Yeah. You go hang out with Brother? Okay.
Hey guys, come on! I want to show you guys now. Come on, let's go.
Is that his pink magic bucket hat?
See? Now he's dead. Now he's alive.
How did you move Ricky over here?
Because we take this one and hit. I did it. We took this big fat shovel.
You scooped him up?
Yep, we scooped them up, set them in there, moved them over here, and shipped them to his family.
Are you cooking hot chocolate too? Oh. What'd you say? Nothing like ending the snow play. You're welcome. Nothing like ending the snow play day with some hot chocolate, huh?
It's good, boy.
There we go.
It's good, boy.
I know, it's supposed to warm you up.
Yeah, wait. I'm hot. Hot.
Hot.
Bye.
All right, well, this is where we're gonna end the video. Thank you for watching. We had fun playing outside in the snow, and now we're gonna enjoy our hot chocolate and the rest of the day. Bye!